Gut health isn't only about taking a probiotic. They're still really important, but over the years we've learned there's also a lot more to gut health. We now know that focusing only on probiotics is like trying to bake a cake just using a spatula. You need the spatula, but for the best results, you need other tools too. Well, did you know there are other biotics in your gut health toolkit? And they're just as important for digestion, inflammation, and even brain health. I'm Brenda Watson, and today we're breaking down the 3 main biotics in gut health: prebiotics, probiotics, and postbiotics. Each one plays a unique role in supporting not just digestion, but your immunity, metabolism, brain function, and even your mood. I'll also share 5 surprising benefits of probiotics that might make you love them even more. An easy way to think about how these biotics work together is to think of them as parts of a garden. The prebiotics are like the fertilizer that nourishes the soil. Probiotics are the plants that feed on that rich soil and grow. And postbiotics are the beneficial and beautiful results, like the fruits or the flowers. First, let's talk about prebiotics. Prebiotics are plant fibers that your body can't digest, but your gut bacteria can. They're absolutely essential. They're the fuel source for your gut's good bacteria, and without them, those beneficial bacteria can't survive, and your gut health, immunity, and even mood will suffer. Foods like onions, asparagus, dark leafy greens, oats, berries, lentils, and chia seeds are great sources of prebiotics. For some people, eating more of these foods can reduce issues like bloating and gas. Next, probiotics. You've probably heard a lot about probiotics. They're the live good bacteria that feed off of prebiotic fiber, and you find them in foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and kombucha. Probiotics do a lot for your body, more than just supporting digestion. They also enhance immune function by stimulating the production of immune cells and antibodies to fight infections. They help regulate mood. Probiotics influence how we process emotions and stress through the gut-brain axis. They help improve skin health and may help with skin issues like acne, eczema, and even psoriasis. And they support weight management. Certain probiotic strains can influence how your body absorbs fat and regulates metabolism. But did you know that probiotics also strengthen your gut barrier, which helps protect you from harmful microbes and parasites? Help heal leaky gut, which prevents toxins from escaping into your bloodstream. Helps you detoxify by binding heavy metals and other harmful substances in your body. They produce vitamins like B12 and K2, which support your energy, nerve function, and your bone health, and lower inflammation, including your gut and brain. So probiotics are clearly more than just gut support. That's why diversity and balance are the most important things you focus on when you add more of them in your diet. Now let's discuss postbiotics. They're the unsung heroes. When probiotics break down prebiotics, they produce postbiotics like butyrate, which is a short-chain fatty acid. Short-chain fatty acids are powerful compounds produced when gut bacteria ferment certain types of fiber, especially soluble fiber and resistant starch. They're one of the most powerful ways your gut bacteria benefit your health. So postbiotics are incredibly important. They reduce inflammation, support your gut lining, and keep it strong and resilient. They regulate immune responses to prevent overreactions that could lead to autoimmune conditions. Postbiotics are one of the reasons maintaining a healthy balance of prebiotics and probiotics is so essential. Focusing on getting prebiotics and probiotics will naturally help your body produce the postbiotics it needs for a healthy gut microbiome. These 3 gut powerhouses are essential to your microbiome and to your health. And without them, and what they produce, your body couldn't repair your gut lining, defend your immune system, balance your mood, or help regulate your weight. They're not just helpful, they're foundational. So to support and balance your biotics, you need a combination of food and targeted supplements. Start by increasing prebiotic-rich foods. These feed your good gut bacteria, probiotics, and support healthy motility, helping things move through you more smoothly. But here's the key. Most modern diets lack both quantity and variety of prebiotic fibers, and diversity matters because different fibers feed different microbes, which is essential for a strong, balanced microbiome. Supplementation with prebiotics and resistant starch can help fill the gap. Add natural probiotic foods. Include fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso. These provide living microbes that help support a balanced and diverse gut microbiome. Supplement for diversity. Even with a healthy diet, probiotic supplements can help broaden your microbial diversity. And look for a formula with multiple strains. Different strains support different functions, from digestion to immunity to mood regulation. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for proper fiber function, especially insoluble fiber, which relies on hydration to keep things moving and prevent constipation. If your gut is off, your whole body feels it. Focusing on these 3 biotics may be the missing link you've overlooked. Even if you start slowly, start somewhere. Add 1 or 2 prebiotic-rich foods or a serving of fermented food every day. If you're looking for more tips and in-depth advice on gut health, don't forget to like and subscribe. And give your biotics a boost with my recipe for a pre, pro, post power bowl at the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.